Picture this. You have a thriving business. Your days are packed with meetings, emails, and endless to-do lists. But deep down, you're yearning for more than just success in your career. Sometimes that relentless pursuit of success can leave you feeling overwhelmed and burnt out. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can have it all. In today's video, together we'll uncover the strategies to achieve true work-life balance while scaling your business. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about why work-life harmony, not balance, is absolutely crucial. It's not just about finding time for yourself, it's about ensuring your personal well-being and achieving lasting success in your business. Balancing your life and work will make you a more effective and happier entrepreneur. So let's get into these strategies right now. The best way I found to ensure I'm prioritizing my mental health is to look at my calendar. Does it show that I'm consistently showing up for my mental and emotional health? Or does it reveal that work is consuming my life and I'm trying to squeeze wellness in the remaining cracks? Strategy number 1, as Visionizer and CEO, your job is to focus on the highest revenue generating tasks. Because why would the $1,000 an hour mind be spent on $10 or $50 tasks? Now, my team is to the point where they not only do the tasks that I absolutely hate, like payroll, finances, tech, but they also do some of the tasks that I'm very good at, like copywriting. Why? Because their collective role is to free up my schedule so that I have space to visionize and set the strategy that no one else can ever do. Effective delegation can free up your time and energy. And on our campus, we call our dream teams unicorn teams. Your personal unicorn team will consist of talented individuals who complement your strengths and fill in your weaknesses. They're there to support you, share your vision, and take your business to new heights. You build a unicorn team by providing clear goals and expectations, but also trusting them to make decisions. Effective delegation is the key to scaling while maintaining that balance or harmony. Trust them to handle tasks so that you can focus on what you actually do best. Strategy 2 revolves around time management and prioritization. This is all about managing your time wisely and prioritizing tasks that align with your goals, enabling you to allocate time for both work and personal life. Start by identifying the gaps in your business. What tasks are draining your time and energy? These are the areas where your dream team can make the most significant impact. Whether it's marketing, customer support, or operations, pinpoint where you need the specific support. Once the gaps are identified, run it through your team and discuss the priorities your business needs to thrive and let them take it on. Your journey as an entrepreneur is ever-changing, filled with growth, fulfillment, and success. Embrace it with enthusiasm, but don't forget the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life harmony. Knowing every step brings you to the balance that you seek. You have the tools, the strategies, and the support to make it happen. And remember that you're not alone on this journey. Reach out to your fellow entrepreneurs, share your experiences, and learn from one another. Speaking of support, comment down below what you do to maintain a healthy work-life balance or harmony. With the strategies we discussed in this video, I know that you can achieve imperfectly perfect work-life harmony and scale your business without burning out. It's possible, and I've seen it happen. In fact, together, we'll make it happen. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team yourself, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like us who need help growing our unicorn teams. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.